Well, look, I almost quit on you.
This whole thing, it's your fault.
Why is it my fault, John?
The Jeff Richard Show.
That stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, power hypnagogia, hypnopompic, and hypnagogical.
Yes, I mean, there's a lot of amazing women.
Tell people about your hair. I mean, does it have a life of its own, or what is? Or do you?
No, I usually what happens is when I make oatmeal, right? I make.
Now doing shows like this just to continually punish myself.
Yeah, but that's when it was the Jimmy Fallon show then.
Family's good. Everybody's good.
Everybody's really, really good. I got so many questions for you, Robert.
Oh boy, here we go.
Dude.
Jamie, how you doing, buddy?
A number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that. Yeah.
And you?
No.
I can speak on, the theoretical aspect of music. And
You ready to? No.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it.